Hello, friends. This is our third day, and the program is run by Reson's English School, Shirar Shahpur, listening and speaking program of English language. First of all, we are doing the practice of listening, and consequently, we will have the practice of speaking also. And the theory which is used here, I again want to introduce with that somewhere the little child, when an infant gets accustomed to various sounds first, later he accumulates all the sounds, and then he or she tries to speak. This is the general phenomenon, and this is the natural process. The nature has given us lot of strength, and that particular strength is very useful when we have to learn any foreign language. Though we are well aware of English climate and phenomenon, as so much is talked over, so much is around us, and there is definitely the outburst of social media which we see here and there. And that's why listening does not remain any bad man's tool. This is very important. We can listen to so many things if we have wish, but mostly when we live in the rural area of India or in various townships and even various cities also, we don't have exactly this scenario where English can be listened to. Children also watch cartoons, we see. But how cartoons should be watched and which cartoons should be watched, there is no literacy about that. So that's why it is my appeal to parents that somewhere, if your children are just watching the cartoons which are having the commentary or the dialogues in Indian language, then definitely you don't have to give them that particular chance, and at the same time you can tell them just to go for the cartoons which are having the English commentary or English dialogues. So that's why they would get accustomed to various types of sounds. This is very important. Meanwhile, as I talk about that somewhere this listening practice will be tried hard to impart this one up to the viewers, the watchers of these videos. And at the same time, if you subscribe them, then definitely you will get on your mobile always. And at the same time, you also to press the bell icon. So again, I just commence that one. Various sounds, when child gets accustomed to, then definitely he is able to speak that one. Hearing is very important, listening is very important, and that particular listening must be provided with purpose and with aim. It is exactly my opinion. And that's why other day when we started the practice, and we have been going on now, then just I discussed over, which is the proper phenomenon going on. Exactly, it is not proper, improper that is, but COVID-19 pandemic, which is going on here and there, and how we should have to extend forward the cares in the upcoming new normal life. So we have also used the word new normal related to that one. When we switch over to cell phone, and when we talk about, and when we want to talk about something with anybody, then we have the dialer tone there. That dialer tone speaks about taking the care while wandering outside and inside also the home, what types of care we have to take, those types are given in that. And just 1 month or 1.5 months before, the another dialer tone began. The process of unlocking begins now. So that's why we must take care. Whatever is told, we have to wear the mask always. We have to exactly wash our hands with soap. And where soap is not available, we have to use the sanitizers. Today, I want to focus on some of the ongoing researches, and its purpose is not to give you the information but to give the listening practice, and if the information is imparted and you understand, that's one, we may say it is the cherry on the cake. Somewhere the world is fighting with this pandemic. This pandemic was the threat. Still it is the threat, no doubt about it. But now the herd immunity is going to be created. I want to focus on this one. This is the herd immunity. Herd means samuha. Immunity means roga pratikar shakti. Herd immunity means samuhachi roga pratikar shakti. That herd immunity is going to be developed now. What happens? When any novel virus is there, our body does not accustom to that virus. The cells in our body cannot exactly provide the antibodies, and they cannot attack on that particular virus up till they don't understand the nature of that virus. So therefore, somewhere when that nature is known, our body prepares itself. Now the new researches are there, exactly new researches. And in those new researches, definitely some good signs we are conveyed. And those good signs are that corona can be controlled naturally. But it will take a time. It won't happen in specific weeks or specific months, but it will take a time more than 6 months. And at the same time, we have been just hearing about the news related to vaccines also. This particular time span will provide definitely to us to prepare the vaccines by taking their proper steps. And those particular proper steps, if they are observed, then definitely we will have very effective vaccine. Though that particular vaccine is responsible to control 50% or 60% coronavirus, then if our body is going to be prepared for that, some of the cells in our body are going to be activated for that, if they understand the nature to eliminate and demolish that particular coronavirus, then definitely that natural phenomenon will be created in our body. So herd immunity, our response of the body cells to finish the coronavirus, the vaccination and regular taking care, these particular things will definitely be in future very optimistic. But still, we have to take a great care. We have to wash our hands regularly with soap. Where the soap is not available, we have to use the sanitizer for that sake. Then we have to wear the mask. We have to keep the social distancing. We have to avoid to go in public. So that's why if we take this particular care, then definitely our future is extremely bright, and we should be very confident for that one, because many good signs are there. With this, we will conclude our third day listening practice here. Thank you.